Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper and the topic is related to digital circuits. Look at the diagram. The figure shows the internal schematic of TTL and or invert gate, AOI gate. For the input shown in the figure, the output Y is. What will be the value of Y for the given input combination? Okay, A, B are going to be inputs, other two inputs are going to be left floating. Inputs are floating, that is nothing but they are not connected to logic 0 or not connected to logic 1, simply they left alone like that. Okay, inputs are floating is nothing but inputs are left alone by that time. In case of TTL, whenever the inputs are going to be left alone, at that time left floating, by that time they will be considered as logic 1. They will be considered as logic 1. TTL inputs sometimes simply left floating to provide a logic 1, though this usage is not recommended. Okay, but it was whenever the inputs are floating, they will be considered as logic 1 in case of TTL, but this usage is going to be not that much recommended. Directly it is better to give logic 1 at the inputs. Okay, so based on this information we can go with, now the floating inputs can be considered as logic 1. So this is logic 1. Okay, and this also treated as logic 1. So logic 1 and logic 1, and this is AND gate. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1 will be the output of this AND gate, and A into B is nothing but AB is going to be output of this AND gate. So now there is a NOR gate, with inputs as one is AB, the other is nothing but 1. NOR gate is nothing but this is, first of all the inputs will be added 1 plus AB whole bar. So 1 plus something is nothing but 1, whole bar is nothing but 0. So the right answer for this Y is nothing but Y is equal to 0. Y will become 0. That implies nothing but the right option is A. Y will be equal to 0. Whenever the inputs are floating in case of TTL, they will be considered as logic 1. You must remember this point. Thank you.